Hey guys, and it's about time. The month of August is about to kick off, and as we know, Huawei versus US thingy is still not over officially. Even though Trump said that Huawei will be allowed to do business again, but no statement from Google or Huawei yet. Despite the whole ban, Huawei just revealed a 23% revenue increase. Imagine if there was no ban in the first place, Huawei could have been the #1 by now. But they have seen it long coming. Huawei's chairman has spoken to the media about the Mate 30 Pro and the future of Android for Huawei phones. He said Huawei cannot guarantee if Mate 30 Pro will have Android from Google, but it will be ready with an alternative OS. The statement from the chairman confirms that the replacement for Google's Android version is indeed ready, and Huawei will only use it if they are not allowed by US. The chairman said that it's all up to US. If not allowed, we'll have to use our own alternative OS. To which the interviewer asked specifically whether the Mate 30 Pro, the next big flagship, will it come with Android or not. To that he said, if US allows us, then we'll use Android. Otherwise, we'll go to our own alternative. And regarding this replacement OS, he said, you just have to wait and see with your own eyes. He didn't reveal anything, but from what it seems, Huawei is confident. He said that internally, Huawei has been more united than ever. Despite whatever happened, Huawei was super calm during this whole situation. They got the best support from China. Ever since the ban was announced, their sales in China has been increased by 31%. Now, what is this alternative OS? Well, it's Android without Google, based on free version of Android, which they already have in China, which is still pretty much capable of running Google applications. Since it is Android, it should be able to run everything that Google's Android can run. Even Google's own application can be sideloaded, but Google doesn't want that, and they have requested US to open business with Huawei again. Multiple screenshots have revealed that the replacement Huawei OS is indeed based on Android, and it is ready for the Mate 30 Pro. The statement from the chairman confirms that the alternative OS is ready, otherwise they wouldn't be working on a Mate 30 Pro at all in the first place. It's pretty obvious, but they want Google's Android to be their first choice, which if not, they'll go with their own replacement OS based on Android, which could be called as Arc OS internationally. Despite all the odds, Huawei is looking strong, and they will be coming strong with their Mate 30 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding this whole new news. If Huawei comes out with the Mate 30 Pro running their own version of Android without Google stuff, will you buy it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.